Hello guys, welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you this bottle lock that you can lock your bottles and nobody can have access to it just by putting a code. It's very simple and easy. Check this out. It works on any bottle. So if you change the code, you'll spin and nobody will have access to the bottle. So you can put many types of bottles. It's the same thing. It fits on all bottles. As you see, it works perfectly and nobody will have access to the bottles, even soda bottles. So this would be a nice prank on your friends, or if you guys want to keep a special beverage that you don't want anybody to touch, you can use this code lock and it will keep it safe. And over here I wanted to test more bottles. As you see, even water bottles, it works perfectly on it. And if you guys have some dangerous materials that you want to keep safe out of the reach of children, you can also use it. As you see, it works perfectly. Even brake fluid, I tried it and it works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under fixitsamo, and we'll see you next time.